Hello everyone, it's me. I'm back again with another fall kit I put together. Just a bunch of loveliness here. It's different than the last one, but all same fall colors. And I will try to whip through this super fast so you can see what's in it. This piece of fabric is 6 by 22, I believe, but it's doubled, and I love this one. It's pretty fall looking. I super love that one. I'm hoping that this stuff is not, I don't know why my lighting is so hideous. Another fat quarter of this, which is 18 by 22. Pretty. 18 by 22 piece of this pretty one. I love this one too. That one. And then there is a fat quarter size of this one that's looks like this. I super love this one. I had to save a piece of this one for myself because I don't have much of this one, but I wanted to put it in this kit. And I also have, let's see, what size is this? 6.5 by, I don't know, 13, so 36 inches long. I love this. Isn't that pretty? I love it. Yeah, it's 6.5 inches. I love this one. There's only one other piece of this one left too, but I love it. It kind of goes with the flow. And then there's another one of these that I found. I think I have one more of these, and it's doubled the size as well. And let's see, I have this piece of green fabric that I super love. I don't know what size it is. It's just a piece that I had, and I just cut it in half and saved myself some and put the rest in here. And I think it's like 16 by, I don't know, let's see, like 13 maybe. And I think it's super pretty. I love this. So there's that. And here I have another piece of this. And all the laces in here, I tried to make it a yard if I had a yard, actually. And oh, here's some more of this fabric like that was in the last kit. There's this beautiful piece. And this was not in the last kit. It's just a piece of this color I had left over from making, I can't remember what I made, but I had this piece left over, so I just stuck that in here. And then this little piece, I think it's 8 by 12. It's 8 by 12. I just thought it was fall looking, so it was in my drawer, so I put that in here. And one small one, and then this one and this one are the same size, and they are just the pieces of the kit that I had. And then again, these 2 squares like last time. Oh, 3 squares. And these 2 strips. This one. Let's see. And these were again 4.5 by 13 for those 2. And let's see, I think that was, oh, here's some, I had a little bit of this yellow, which I really wanted in this kit. I thought it was super pretty. So 13, 14, 15. It's like 19 by 11 by 19 piece of silky yellow fabric. And a piece of this upholstery fabric that I super love. It's got these eyelets in it, and the last time I used one with the eyelets in it, I just folded it over and dangled things off of it for my cover, but you don't have to use it as a cover. You can use it as however you would like to use it. There is this pretty piece of trim. I love this trim. I don't have much left of that either. This was in the last kit. And I'll go a little faster. This terry cloth, there's like a half a yard of this. It's wired, and you can pull the wire out if you like. There is a yard of this sari silk-like ribbon to go with. My dog is just into things today. There's a yard of this pretty trim. I love it. Super cute. Lincoln, get out of things, please. This is a yellow trim, and there's a yard of this pretty trim. A yard of this green trim. Excuse me. There's like a half a yard of this little pom-pom trim. And I think there is like 15 inches of this, and it's also got wire in it, but you can take the wire out and use it as well. And there is a yard of this pretty trim. I love this trim. It's one of my favorites. And this little piece of flowered trim that I had. Thought it needed to go in here. This was in the last kit as well. And it's about a little over half a yard of that. And here is some bias tape. These two are like really soft rayon fabric trim, and then these are cotton, and there's a yard each on there. A little over a half a yard of this pretty green trim. 2 red, they kind of look orange here, but they're red rosettes. A yard of this pretty green trim. Whoopsie. I think there's a yard of this. Sometimes I have to measure it sometimes. A yard of this, and it's also got the wire in it, but you can rip the wire out of this as well. I'll just try to hurry for you. A yard of this cute little tiny yellow trim. I super think it's so cute. Some of this burlap trim, which it's about, I don't know, 13, 19 inches long by 3 3/4 wide. This piece of that. A yard of, why is things looking so orange in here? This is not orange. I don't know why it's looking orange, but maybe that is better. I don't know. But it's super cute. And it's red. It's not orange, but looks orange in here, but it's not. And there's some of this wired checkered trim. A yard, I think, of that. Oh, my dog is just being a turd bird. There is half a yard, a little over half a yard of this one. It's soft, too. That one is super soft. There's a yard of this pretty green trim here. And this was a shirt that I cut up because I super love it. And I just had to, I can't even remember where I got this actually, but oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And it's brown, so I figured it would go in here. And this little piece of cotton doily here. This big, really looks yellow here. It's not quite as yellow as that in here, but big cotton bow. And then the buttons and some flowers. And then these three are like daisies, I think. Cotton crocheted daisy flowers. And 2 yards of this yellow cotton trim. And that is the next kit. It'll be kit 2, fall kit 2. And yeah, everything in here is $48. This kit will be, and that is free shipping, no extra shipping, none of that. And yeah, if you're interested, I will link my Bloomin' Sticks page below and my Facebook, and you can PM me on there if you are interested, and I will get this right out to you this week as soon as I can. I hope you're having a great day. Please subscribe and like and all that good stuff. And yeah, I hope you like this kit. It's a lot of amazing stuff. And yeah, I will talk to you soon. Bye bye. Have a great day.